Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You pick a target bedtime and wake time and commit to them. This anchors the rest. First, shave your window to within 30-60 minutes of where you already are so adaptation feels possible. Once chosen, set your bedroom to cool and dark and put devices away 1 hour before bed. Then start a 30-45 minute wind down, light stretching, a 5-minute breathing exercise, and a quiet activity like reading. These first steps reduce pressure and signal your body the schedule is starting now. Now you focus on consistency and circadian cues. Each morning, get 20-30 minutes of bright or dawn-simulating light and avoid bright screens for the first hour. This strengthens your new wake signal. If your target is far from current sleep time, shift by 15-30-minute increments every 2-3 nights rather than drastic change. Make daytime routines regular, morning sunlight exposure, consistent meal times, and 30-60 minutes of exercise earlier in the day. Together, these habits lock in the schedule efficiently. To finish, you reinforce the schedule. Keep weekends within 30-60 minutes of weekdays and restrict naps to under 30 minutes before 3 p.m. Cut caffeine at least 8 hours before your bedtime and avoid alcohol close to sleep. Track progress for 3 weeks, sleep timing, sleep quality, and daytime alertness, and adjust small factors like light exposure or exercise timing. If your schedule is still unstable after 3 weeks, try targeted bright light therapy in the morning or consult a sleep specialist. This troubleshooting step often resolves persistent misalignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.